Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing higher on Wednesday, led by shares in energy, consumer services, and food and staples retailing sectors. On the economic docket, MBA mortgage applications falling by 3.7% year over year in the week ended February 8th, from a decline of 2.5% the previous week. In other news, CPI remaining unchanged month over month in January, and the monthly deficit improving to $13.5 billion in December. This all while advancers ahead of decliners, 67% of S&P 500 constituents trading higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Cisco Systems announcing second quarter adjusted EPS up 16% year over year to 73 cents on revenue up 7% year over year to $12.45 billion. Asian markets mixed today. The Nikkei down 0.02%, the Hang Seng down 0.23%, China's CSI 300 up 0.15%, and South Korea's Kospi up 1.11%. European markets gaining ground and U.S. futures calling for a positive start. Now, in terms of expectations today, Coca-Cola, Nvidia, CBS, CME Group all expected to release their earnings this session. While on the economic docket, 8:30 in the morning, we have both the January PPI final demand read and initial and continuing jobless claims figures, as well as December retail sales advance numbers and November business inventories. Over in the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. That sees the upside prevail, while the Nasdaq sees further upside, but that's also in focus. The relative strength index advocates for further upside. Long positions above 7,003 are favored with targets at 70.70 and 71.20 in extension, while the Dow Jones sees the upside prevail.